If you're still in the lead gen space in 2026 and still selling guarantee to business owner and wondering why you burn out with low profit margin, this is probably the video for you. First of all, I've been guilty of this myself when I first starting my SMMA agency in 2022. We offer the exact same thing that I'm telling you not to do right now because it worked back then, but it's also caused me to burn out and make me almost quit my agency several times. And if you don't know what I'm talking about yet, this is the kind of ad that we've been running. So new seller lead guarantee, 60 listing lead guarantee in 90 days, 20 plus seller lead in 1 week. And lastly, get 60 lead or you don't pay us, right? This guarantee work with Alex Hormozi style no-brainer offer. It does close a couple of deals. However, this guarantee offer will bring in client that is very hard to work with. Sometimes the agency and the team does a very good job bringing in the lead and put them through a nurturing process on HighLevel. And even some of them will book an appointment to speak with this real estate agent or realtor. However, some of them will just not be able to convert because number one, some real estate agent is just very bad at converting cold lead. They've been door knocking and getting referral lead for all their life. And when they have new cold Facebook lead, they just do not know how to convert them. Secondly, real estate lead does take 60 to 90 days to even sign the first contract of going ahead with real estate agents. So this is to do with sales velocity, which got nothing to do with what we can control. And running an offer like this and running a team to fulfill this is very draining, less profit, and you are subject to a lot of dispute and refund. This is why we're moving away to our brand new offer, more of selling infrastructure and AI system and positioning ourselves and our offer as a SaaS company, software as a service. I'll tell you guys how to do that. And it starts by the ad level of having the right ad targeting the right people that will bring in a different type of client with different expectations. So what does the AI SaaS offer look like? Here we have this doc that is freely available for all of you guys in the Skool community. So make sure that you check the link in the description. So I'm going to go through of it one by one. We still give you the freedoms of launching this guarantee offer ads such as the commission-based system for real estate agent, 10 free appointments, 60 appraisal in 90-day listing guarantee. So we still have this guarantee offer on this docs if you want to play around with it. However, in this video, I'm going to show you the AI SaaS ad, right? So we're going to start off with $0 ad spend with our AI system. So this is what the ad look like in Canva. We have $0 ad spend, really positioning the AI system to generate lead for real estate agent who currently running ads. So who would be attracted to this kind of ad, right? So I really want to take some time out to explain the ad level here. Okay, so whatever ad that you put out there, you have to be speaking to a specific avatar with specific pain points. Now, who would be intrigued to click on ad like this? It's gonna be with real estate agent who currently running ad. That's why they kind of see this ad spend and they kind of interested on it. And it's also for real estate agent or realtor out there who actually run ad before but does not have any success with it. So when they see this is an attractive offer and lead magnet for them to click on. So this AI system going to come in and save them by going through a lot of their database lists and actually book appointment from there using AI without having them to lift a finger. So on the ad copy level, we say real estate agents stop spending money on ad that don't work. If you could close more deal without spending a single dollar on ad, our system deliver a ready-to-go seller lead directly to your phone. No cold calling, no chasing, and $0 ad spend. Right, you get pre-qualified homeowner looking to sell, real-time notification of lead that are ready, and a setup that lets you focus on what you do best, which is closing deal. It's the same system that our agents use to get message live. Will close deals thanks to your lead. Click try now to see how it works. So again, guys, this is more like positioning our lead magnet and our offer into a SaaS base and a system base rather than a lead gen. So the next one is what we call save 60K with AI employees. This is more like targeting an AI receptionist. You can absolutely use this for local businesses outside real estate agent. We also make a copy of this. You can see here we have a copy for local business. So you don't really have to aim this at real estate agent all the time. So if, for example, if you target hair salon or chiropractor, you just have to put a person with a back pain over here instead of a house, right? Very easy, and just change real estate agent to like hair salon owner and really just change this word to whatever industry you want to call it out. The psychology of this ad guy is to attract business owner. Currently have a front desk receptionist, and as you probably know, in America or in Australia, in the UK, paying some someone $20 an hour just to sit there answering phone, is equate to about like 60 to 80K per year. What if we can save them that amount of money by replacing that expensive front desk receptionist with a more robust, compatible AI receptionist that costs them a fraction of that amount? So this ad is aiming to target business owner who already have a front desk receptionist. So what does that tell us about them? They have money. If they can pay an employee, they're gonna have money to pay for your system. So this ad is made like this for a strategic reason. So the next one we have, AI voice assistant 24/7. So this is pretty much a video ad. So we just play a video ad of our AI recorded, unbranded. Like you guys can definitely lease this for sure. I'm just gonna play a little bit of this one. We don't have any logo on it. It's really just subtitle and a video editing ad. These actually get a lot of leads. So this ad is a video ad. It's definitely target people who are interested in AI in general. For them to watch the video throughout, we can retarget people based on the amount of percentage people who watch the video over 50% and just retargeting them with testimonial. But I'm just gonna play some of this for you guys.
Would you be open to hearing more about those options?
I would.
That's great to hear. We definitely have some options that might work for you. Let me just check our inventory real quick to see what SUVs we have available. I checked our...
So we do have this video in a couple of different industries such as real estate, car dealerships. You guys can really gray label this and just use our video. I don't mind at all. So the reason why we allow you guys to do that is because once you land a client, you're going to need help setting up the actual AI to deliver it for them. That's when you actually need help with the AI software. So hopefully that makes sense. So this ad is saying real estate agent, meet your new AI sales assistant. What if you have a team member who could answer inbound call 24/7, follow up with every missed lead instantly, book appointment, qualify seller, even close deal without dropping the ball. Using your voice AI assistant, train and speak like a human, handle objection, keep your pipeline full while you sleep. It's like hiring a top performing ISA that you never get tired of, never ask for time off, and works on the weekend. It's gonna handle inbound and outbound because that's actually what the AI agents do. Custom script for AU and NZ real estate. So obviously the scripts here could be anywhere. It's really just a ChatGPT prompt. So this is just the script that we have copy and paste straight from our Meta Ad Manager. Fully integrate with your CRM. So next phase is that you only pay when it's delivered, no retainer, no catch. So this is kind of like leaning to like the guarantee side of thing. As much as you don't sell lead gen anymore and you're selling the AI system, it's still good to have some sort of a guarantee in place to make sure, like, especially when you charge high ticket, anywhere between 3K, 4K, or even up to $9,000, you gotta have some sort of assurance for people to pay that amount of money. All right. So obviously, if you don't like it, you could just take that line off right there. Okay. This is double your commission in 14 days. So this is really lead back to the guarantee and the lead gen side. We don't really use that anymore. And try out AI for free for 7 days. This is really great. It's kind of a free lead magnet that get you in with the AI system. So with the free for 7 days, we actually have, you have to have our AI software that allow you to resell this by generating an instant sub account the moment you generate a high level sub account. So it's really connected to a high level sub account, and all of the material and all of the AI is there. It's really quick to set up. So really just give them a trial for 7 days. We have a full video on how to set this up. So this ad is really trying to attract people who still on the fence in terms of trying AI, but they just not there yet. They don't want to pay expensive fee just to try something that may or may not work. What if you could just give them 7 days, 3 days, or 5 days for free with the current setup and Snapshot and AI system that we have? You can definitely offer that with a 5 to 10 minute setup and really just get them to play around with AI. So the goal of this offer and lead magnets is number one, to make them feel the pain point of setting up everything themselves. Business owner is normally not technical, right? Once they go in and you just have so much integration such as Twilio, A2P, and setting up automation, they're gonna appreciate like what you're going to charge them for, like what your value is going to come in. But at the same time, they want to see something in action real quick. This is why we have a snapshot and a walkthrough video that teach you how to set this 7-day trial up in just 10 to 15 minutes and get your client running at no time. So you're going to make a lot of clients from this ad. I'm just telling you that. So let us break down the comparison of the entire two systems. The old model is where you sell ad and lead gen system with guarantee. The new model is where you sell infrastructure with CRM setup and pipeline automation. The old model where you put a lot of pressure in your team to deliver on something that you cannot control, such as meta ad, targeting, audience, and the client conversion. The new model is where you don't have to put a lot of pressure because AI will do most of the work with very low cost. The old model where you have ad, sell process, and funnel with crazy claims that could lead to dispute and refund risk. The new model where you only charge people $297 to $497 per month, very low cost, and if you build a very good relationship with people, they're not gonna be disputing that kind of amount. And we managed to charge a high ticket based on the setup fee with no guarantee. Now the old model is where they see you as a lead gen guy or a Facebook ad guy, where the new model is where they see you as a fractional CTO or fractional CMO, however you want to position it. They're going to see you as a legit business partner where you're going to come in and install the entire process from the traffic side to the funnel to the sales conversion. So you have more control of their entire business from A to Z, making this business model absolutely sticky. Thanks guys, if this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and drop in the comment what you want to see next, and ciao, see you in the next one.